Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I just fixed these earbuds. These are kind of wireless. I mean, it's a style where there's a wire going from one side to the other side, but there is no wire that goes to your smartphone. So I guess you could call it semi-wireless. Anyway, long story short, the inside of this, there are like four little wires, three or four little wires, and the covering, this black covering that I'm rubbing my fingernail on, started peeling away. And so the four wires were loose and exposed, and they were going to break eventually because they're little tiny wires. So what I did was I got some fix-it tape and I covered them up right there to there. The bare wires are right in the middle there. So the way you do it is you lay the tape out like that, cut a piece about 6 inches long, whatever you need. You flip it over and you peel off this protective covering. So that's the sticky side. That's the side that will stick to itself. Remember, it will stick to itself. It's not going to stick to this. It's going to stick to itself. So you peel off that, you lay it flat, you lay the wire on there like that, and I'm doing this with one hand. Remember, this little transparent piece is off of there, and then you just fold it over like that. Fold it, and then it'll stick to itself, it'll cover up the bare exposed wires, and then you just trim it with a pair of scissors so that it's not so big. This is probably, if I unfolded this would be like half that size. So this is how you can fix your semi-wireless earbuds before they just break apart. And if these get frayed, or if this piece starts to peel back again, then I'll do another video for you and I'll actually show you the whole thing. I apologize. Sometimes I get ahead of myself and I fix something and then I forget, oh gee, I should share this with my viewers. Okay, so give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun, listen to music. Froggy out. Bye-bye.